to a Bright Shadows DIY. My name is Ashley and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own Halloween themed dinner. As you can see, I love Halloween. It is my Christmas, and that got me thinking, why isn't Halloween dinner a thing? Why does Christmas get all the glory? So I decided Halloween dinner is going to be an annual thing for me, and these are the little touches I did to make it my own.
I started with decor. Before anyone even walked into the house, they can see a Halloween wreath, and then I sporadically used orange and black decorations throughout my home. The table setting and banister were the focus of the room. You might not have as many Halloween dishes as I do. If you don't, you can use basic black or white for a dramatic effect. I had skull dishes, black snake charger plates, pottery barn napkins, and skull mason jars. In addition to the spooky decor and dishes, I tried to make the food follow suit. I went for a harvest theme with an acorn squash with risotto and kale. My cupcakes were a bit of a craft fail, but I tried. And I also did gummy skewers with vampire teeth and eyes. Some other details are fresh flowers that are orange and also real mini pumpkins.
So thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, connect with me on social media, and I would love to see your Halloween place setting.